Hello everyone, welcome back to Anjalappa Maths Class YouTube channel. In the previous video, we did exercise 11.1, first sum, second question and third question. Today, we will finish remaining sums. Now this is fourth question. If cos A is equals to 12 by 13, then find sin A and tan A. So what is given? Given cos A is equals to 12 by 13. Cos A is equals to 12 by 13. So what is cos ratio? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. And cos theta is equals to adjacent side of theta by hypotenuse. So this is given cos. So this is adjacent and this is hypotenuse. This is adjacent and this is hypotenuse. So is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent side of angle A. What is the angle given? Angle A kada? So adjacent side of angle A by hypotenuse. So this is cos. So triangle is koni kada manaki. Take one triangle, right angle triangle. So A, B, C. So this is angle 90 degrees. So what is given? Angle A, cos A. Cos A is equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse. So what is the adjacent side of angle A? Angle A ki adjacent side AB avutundi. So this is given 12 and this is hypotenuse 13. Hypotenuse is 13. So we are find third side BC by using Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, what is the theorem? Hypotenuse square is equals to side square plus side square. What is the hypotenuse? AC. So AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. Hypotenuse square is equals to AB square plus BC square. So hypotenuse is 13. So 13 square is equals to, what is AB? AB value 12. So 12 square plus BC square. 12 square plus BC square. So 13 square is equals to 169. 169 is equals to 12 square. 12 square value 144. 144 plus BC square. So 144 left hand side చేయండి. సో ఏమవుతుంది? BC square is equals to 169 minus 144. 169 minus 144. So BC square is equals to 169 minus 144, 25 వస్తుంది. 25. So we can write BC is equals to BC square equals to 5 square. 25 అంటే 5 square రాయొచ్చు కదా? అంటే BC is equals to 5. BC is equals to 5 centimeters. BC is equals to 5. So this BC is 5. BC is equals to 5. What we have to find? మనం sin A find చేయాలి and tan A find చేయాలి. So sin find చేద్దాం. Sin A. Sin what is the angle given? Sin A. Sin A is equals to, what is sin ratio? Opposite side of angle A by hypotenuse. So opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side of angle A. Opposite side of angle A by hypotenuse. By hypotenuse. Angle A की opposite side ఏంటిది? Angle A की opposite side BC. BC is the opposite side of angle A. BC by, what is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is AC. BC by AC. So what is BC value? 5. BC is equals to 5 and AC is equals to 13. So 5 by 13. 5 by 13. What is the value? Sin A is equals to, sin A is equals to 5 by 13. Next time find tan A. So tan A is equals to, what is tan theta? Opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side of angle A. Opposite side of angle A. Only opposite side రాసిన అవసరం మనకి. Adjacent side of angle A. adjacent side of angle A. Adjacent side of angle A. What is the opposite side of angle A? Angle A की opposite side ఏంటి BC. Adjacent side ఏంటి AB. So BC by AB. BC by AB. So what is BC value? BC is equals to 5. AB అంటే 12. So 5 by 12. 5 by 12. So tan A is equals to what is the value? Tan A is equals to 5 by 12. అంటే ఫైనల్ ఏంటి sin A is equals to ఏంటి sin A is equals to 5 by 13 and tan A is equals to 5 by 12. 5 by 12. సో ఇట్లా ఏ రేషియో ఇచ్చినా మనం ఆ రేషియో రాయాలి. ఫస్ట్ cos ఇస్తే adjacent by hypotenuse రాయాలి, sin ఇస్తే opposite by hypotenuse తీసుకొని so we can find third side by using Pythagoras theorem. Now fifth question. If 3 tan A is equals to 4, then find sin A and cos A. So what is given ratio? Tan. Given 3 tan A is equals to 3 tan A is equals to 4. So 3 ratios ఇండియన్ డివైడ్ అవుతుంది. అంటే tan A is equals to ఏంటి? Tan A is equals to 4 by 3. Tan A is equals to 4 by 3. And what is tan ratio? Opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. So you can write this as ratio kada. So opposite side by adjacent side. Adjacent side. Opposite side of what is given angle? Angle A kada. Opposite side of angle A by adjacent side of angle A. Adjacent side of angle A. So take the diagram. This is A, B, C. So this is 90 degrees. So what is given? Opposite by adjacent. So A की opposite side ఏంటి BC కదా. So BC is 4. ఇది opposite side. ఈ రేషియో తీసుకోవాలి చూడండి. A by fraction కదా, అంటే ఇది opposite side by adjacent side. What is adjacent side? 3. So AB is equals to 3. So by using Pythagoras theorem we can find AC. So by PT, by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, what is hypotenuse AC kada, and AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. So AC we don't know. AC మనది AC find చేయాలి. AC square equals to what is AB? AB is equals to 3. So 3 square plus BC value, what is BC? 4. 4 square. So 3 square అంటే 9 plus 4 square అంటే 16. So 16 plus 9 is equals to 25. So AC square is equals to 25. So 25 అని రాసుకోవచ్చు మనం 5 square రాయొచ్చు. AC square is equals to 5 square. And AC is equals to 5. AC is equals to 5. So this is 5. మనం ఇప్పుడు ఏ రేషియో ఫైండ్ చేయాలి? sin A and cos A. So sin A is equals to what is sin ratio? Sin theta is equals to ఏంటి? Opposite side of angle theta by hypotenuse. Here angle is A. So opposite side of angle A by hypotenuse. Opposite side of angle A by hypotenuse. So opposite side of angle A equals to ఏంటి? Opposite side ఏంటి? BC. Hypotenuse అంటే AC. So BC by AC. BC by AC. So what is BC value? BC value is 4. Hypotenuse అంటే 5. So 4 by 5. Sin A is equals to 4 by 5. Next find cos A. Cos A. Same cos A ratio ఏంటి? Cos A is equals to cos theta is equals to adjacent side of theta, side of angle A కదా, angle A by hypotenuse. By hypotenuse. So what is the adjacent side of angle A? A की adjacent side ఏంటి AB. AB by hypotenuse అంటే AC. So AB by AC. AB by AC. So what is AB value? AB value ఏంటి 3 కదా. AB is equals to 3 and AC is equals to 5. So 3 by 5. 3 by 5. So this is cos A. Therefore, what is sin A? Sin A is equals to 4 by 5. Sin A is equals to 4 by 5 and cos A is equals to 3 by 5. Cos A is equals to 3 by 5. This is a solution of fifth question. Now sixth question. In triangle ABC and triangle XYZ, if angle A and angle X are acute angles such that cos A is equals to cos X, then show that angle A is equals to angle X. So two triangles given, triangle ABC and triangle XYZ. So this is triangle ABC. ABC. And take one more triangle, triangle XYZ. This is triangle XYZ. X, Y, Z. This is 90 degrees. So what is given? Given cos A is equals to cos X. Given cos A is equals to cos X. Cos A is equals to cos X. Cos A is equals to cos X. So what is the cos A value from this triangle? Cos A equals to adjacent side of angle A by hypotenuse. Adjacent side of angle A by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side AB? So AB by, what is the hypotenuse AC? AB by AC is equals to, what is the cos X value? Cos X ratio is adjacent side of angle X by hypotenuse in this second triangle. So adjacent side is XY by XZ. XY by XZ. XY by XZ. So let this value equals to K. రెండు ratios equal కదా. So ఏదో ఒక value K equals K అనుకుందాం. So AB by AC is equals to XY by XZ. XY by XZ is equals to K. Take it as equation number 1. Now in triangle ABC, apply Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ABC, by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. And BC square equals to ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు మనం? AC square. BC square is equals to AC square minus AB square. BC square is equals to AB LHS సెండ్ చేస్తే మైనస్ అవుతుంది. సో BC is equals to స్క్వేర్ రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ అంటే స్క్వేర్ రూట్ అవుతుంది. BC is equals to AC square minus AB square. BC is equals to AC square minus AB square. This is from triangle ABC. Now take from triangle XYZ. In triangle XYZ, say apply Pythagoras theorem XZ square. XZ square is equals to, what is XZ? XZ square equals to XY square plus YZ square. XY square plus YZ square. So ఈ XY square LHS సెండ్ చేయండి, మైనస్ అవుతుంది. అంటే YZ square is equals to XZ square minus XY square. So square root సెండ్ చేస్తే స్క్వేర్ రూట్ అవుతుంది. సో YZ is equals to under root of XZ square minus XY square. And this is triangle in XYZ. Now, so take opposite side, ratio of opposite side. So BC by YZ. Now, now BC by YZ equals to, take the ratio of opposite sides. So BC, this is the opposite side BC, this is YZ. So what is BC value here? AC square minus AB square under root of AC square minus AB square. AC square minus AB square by, what is YZ value? Under root of XZ square minus XY square under root of XZ square minus XY square. Here, see, from equation 1, AB by AC is equals to K. AB by AC is equals to K. సో ఈ ఏసీ రైట్ సైడ్ సెండ్ చేయండి, ఏమవుతుంది ఏసీ ఇంటూ కే అవుతుంది. AB is equals to AC into K. So ఇక్కడ substitute value. So AC square minus AB is equals to what? AC into K. AC into K అంటే K into AC. So స్క్వేర్ ఉంది కదా అంటే K square AC square అవుతుంది. K square AC square by under root. So denominator లో XZ square minus under root కదా. సేమ్ ఇది కూడా XY by XZ కదా. సో xy is equals to k into xz అవుతుంది. k into xz. సో స్క్వేర్ ఉంది కదా. సో k square into xz square. xz square. So take out ac square common. ac square common remaining 1 minus k square by take xz square common. xz square common remaining 1 minus k square under root. Total root తీసుకుంటున్నా. 1 minus k square 1 minus k square gets cancelled. దీనికి స్క్వేర్ ఉంది రూట్ ఉంది క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది. స్క్వేర్ రూట్ క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది. సో ఏమొస్తుంది ఫైనల్ గా AC by XZ. AC by XZ. సో BC by YZ is equals to AC by XZ. Take it as equation number 2. Equation number 2. ఒకసారి equation 1 చూడండి. AB by AC is equals to XY by XZ is equals to K. సో దీన్ని ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు మనం? ఈ AC RHS సెండ్ చేయండి, XY LHS అని తీసుకురండి. ఓకేనా? అప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుంది AB by XY is equals to AC by XZ వస్తుంది. అంటే ఎలా వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ చూడండి, రఫ్ వేస్తున్నా. ఈ XY ఎలా ఇక్కడ తీసుకురండి అంటే AB by XY is equals to AC ఇక్కడ రైట్ సైడ్ అయితే ఇంటూ అవుతుంది. AC by XZ. AC by XZ ఇట్లా వస్తుంది is equals to K వస్తుంది from 1. AB by XY is equals to AC by XZ is equals to K. So AC by XZ is equals to AB by XY and AC by XZ is equals to BC by YZ. So రెండు values equal కదా అంటే 3 ratios are equal from 1 and 2. Therefore from 1 and 2 all ratios are equal. 8 ratios AB by XY is equals to AB by XY is equals to and BC by YZ is equals to BC by YZ is equals to AC by XZ. AC by XZ. ఇక్కడ 1 నుండి ఇలా రాస్తున్నాం, ఇక్కడ రాయట్లేదు 1 ఇక్కడ రాస్తున్నాం, ఇట్లా రాసుకోవచ్చు. AB by XY is equals to AC by XZ is equals to K రాయొచ్చు మనం. ఓకేనా? సో హియర్ corresponding sides are in the same ratio. AB by XY is equals to BC by YZ is equals to AC by XZ ZX is equal. 3 ratios are equal. Corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Therefore, these two triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ. Triangle XYZ. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ. If two triangles are similar, then corresponding angles also equal. Therefore, what are the corresponding angles? Angle A is equals to angle X, and angle B is equals to angle Y. Angle C is equals to angle Z. So here angle A is equals to angle X. This prove cheyali manam. Corresponding angle kada. Therefore, angle A is equals to angle X. This is required to prove. ఎందుకంటే angle A is equals to angle X అనేది ఈక్వల్ అంటే corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Therefore, two triangles are similar. If two triangles are similar, corresponding angles also equal. Angle A is equals to angle X, angle C is equals to angle Z. So this is a solution of 6th question. Now 7th question. Given cot theta is equals to 7/8, then evaluate 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. First one. Second one, 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. So ఈ values find చేయాలంటే మనం sin theta value find చేయాలి, first cos theta value find చేయాలి. So what is given? Given cot theta is equals to 7/8. Cot theta is equals to 7/8. What is the cot ratio? Cot theta అంటే reciprocal of tan. Tan theta ఏంటి? Opposite side of theta by adjacent side. So the reciprocal అంటే ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి cot theta is equals to ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు cot theta is equals to adjacent side by opposite side, adjacent side by opposite side of theta, opposite side of theta, opposite side of theta. So cot theta is equals to adjacent side of theta by opposite side of theta. Direct గా మనం adjacent side by opposite side రాయొచ్చు. సో డయాగ్రామ్ ఏంటి, ఇదిగా సపోజ్ ఏ అనుకోండి, ఏ బి సి. సో దిస్ ఇస్ theta అనుకోండి, this is 90 degrees. So adjacent by opposite, cot theta is equals to adjacent by opposite. So ఇక్కడ theta కదా, దీనికి adjacent ఏంటి 7. So adjacent value is 7. So this is adjacent side. So this is 7. Opposite side is 8. So this is opposite side of angle theta. So this is 8. This is 8. So adjacent side is 7 and opposite side is 8. So by using Pythagoras we can find AC. So by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square, AB square plus BC square. So AC square we don't know. AC square is equals to, what is AB value 7 square plus BC value 8 square. So 7 square is equals to 49 plus 8 square is equals to 64. ఎంత వస్తుంది 100, 113. So AC square is equals to 113. AC square is equals to 113. So AC is equals to under root of 113. Perfect square కాదు కదా. So AC is equals to under root of 113. Next sin theta value find చేద్దాం, next cos theta value find చేద్దాం. So sin theta is equals to ఏంటి మనకి opposite by hypotenuse. What is opposite side? అంటే opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side? Theta ki opposite side ఏంటి BC, hypotenuse అంటే AC. So BC by AC. So what is BC value? 8. AC value వచ్చింది ఇక్కడ మనకి √113 అని, √113. So sin theta is equals to BC by AC. BC value 8, AC value 113. So 8 by √113. So this is sin theta. Next cos theta రండి, cos theta find చేద్దాం. So cos theta is equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse, adjacent side of theta by hypotenuse, adjacent side of theta by hypotenuse. So theta ki what is the adjacent side? AB. So hypotenuse AC. So adjacent side is AB by hypotenuse AC. So what is AB value? 7 by √113. 7 by √113. Cos theta is equals to 7 by √113 and sin theta is equals to 8 by √113. Now first one solve చేద్దాం. First one what is given? 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square and 1 square minus sin square theta. By denominator కూడా సేమ్ అదే ఫామ్ వస్తుంది చూడండి, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square and by 1 square minus cos square theta. So 1 square అంటే 1 minus what is sin theta value? So sin theta వచ్చింది ఆల్రెడీ మనకి. Sin theta is equals to 8 by √113. 8 by √113 whole square by 1 square అంటే 1 minus cos theta value 7 by root 113 7 by root 113 whole square. సో ఇక్కడ వేస్తున్నా చూడండి, సింప్లిఫికేషన్ ఇక్కడ వేస్తున్నా is equals to 1 minus 8 square అంటే 64. సో డినామినేటర్ 113 కదా, దాని రూట్ ఉంది, స్క్వేర్ క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది, 113 వస్తుంది. 113 by 1 minus 7 square అంటే 49, 1 minus 49, దాని స్క్వేర్ రూట్ క్యాన్సిల్ 113 వస్తుంది. సో LCM 113 into 1 113, 113 minus 64 by 113 divided by 113 into 1 113, 113 minus 49 divided by 113. So 113 gets cancelled. So 113 minus 64 is equals to 49 by 113 minus 49 is equals to 64. This is the value of first question. So 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta is equals to 49 by 64. Now this second one, 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. So we have to find the value of 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. So 1 plus sin theta by cos theta is equals to 1 plus, what is sin theta value? Sin theta is equals to 8 by root 113. 8 by root 113 by cos theta value 7 by root 113. 7 by root 113. 7 by root 113. So here LCM is root 113. Root 113 into 1 root 113. Root 113 plus 8 by root 113 by 7 by root 113. అంటే అది రెసిప్రోకల్ అవుతుంది. Root 113 by 7 అవుతుంది. Root 113 by 7. Root 113 gets cancelled. So remaining ఏంటి? Root 113 plus 8 by 7. So this is the solution of second one. 1 plus sin theta by cos theta value is root 113 plus 8 by 7. Now eighth question. In a right angle triangle ABC, right angle is ZB. If tan A is equals to root 3, then find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. First one. Second one, cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. So what is given? A right angle triangle ABC. A right angle is at B given. So a right angle at B. So angle B is equals to 90 degrees. Angle B is equals to 90 degrees. And tan A is equals to root 3 given. Tan A is equals to root 3. Tan A is equals to root 3. So what is tan ratio? Opposite side by adjacent side. So we can write root 3 as root 3 by 1. Root 3 by 1. So we can write opposite side by opposite side by opposite by adjacent side. Adjacent. So tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent. So what is opposite? Root 3. Adjacent is 1. So this is triangle ABC. Right angle B. Right angle ikkada B kada. So this is B. Right angle B. This is C. So what is the opposite side of angle A? Opposite side is BC. BC is root 3. So this is root 3. What is the adjacent side? 1. So this is 1. So we can find AC by using Pythagoras theorem. So by PT, by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. So what is AB value? 1 square plus BC value root 3 square. Square root cancel. So 1 square and 1 plus 3 4 వస్తుంది. 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. So AC square is equals to 4. We can write 4 as 2 square. So AC square is equals to 2 square. So AC is equals to 2. AC is equals to 2. So this is 2. Next time find చేయాలి. We have to find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. అంటే sin A value find చేయాలి, cos A value find చేయాలి. Next sin C value find చేయాలి, cos C value find చేయాలి. So sin A is equals to, for sin A then sin A is equals to, so what is sin ratio? Opposite by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side? BC. So BC by AC. BC by AC. So what is BC value? Root 3. So AC value 2, root 3 by 2. Sin A is equals to root 3 by 2. Next find cos A. Cos A is equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is the adjacent side of A? AB. AB by AC. AB by AC. So what is AB value? 1. AC value 2. 1 by 2. So cos A is equals to 1 by 2. Sin A is equals to root 3 by 2. Next we will find sin C value, cos C value. Sin C is equals to what? Sin C is equals to, under C, angle C. Sin theta is equals to opposite side of angle C by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side of angle C? C का opposite side ఏంటి? AB. AB by AC. So sin C is equals to AB by AC. AB by AC. What is AB value? 1. AC value 2. 1 by 2. This is sin C value. Next cos C. Cos C is equals to same, adjacent side of angle C, because angle is C. So we take the adjacent side of C. So that is BC. BC by hypotenuse AC. So BC by AC. BC by AC. What is BC value? Root 3. AC value 2. Root 3 by 2. So sin A is equals to, sin A is equals to, what is the value? Root 3 by 2. Sin A is equals to root 3 by 2. Next cos A is equals to 1 by 2. Cos A is equals to 1 by 2. Next sin C is equals to 1 by 2. Sin C is equals to 1 by 2. Cos C is equals to root 3 by 2. Cos C is equals to root 3 by 2. Now we will find the value of first one. First one, what is given? Sin C, sin A cos C plus cos A sin C is equals to, substitute the values. What is sin A value? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 into cos C value. Cos C value also root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 plus cos A value 1 by 2. Sin C value 1 by 2. So root 3 into root 3, root 3 square. Root 3 square by 2 to the 4 plus 1 into 1, 1, 2 to the 4. So here square root will get cancelled. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is equals to, denominator 4 kada, and 3 plus 1 by 4 వస్తుంది. 3 plus 1 by 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 by 4 also equals to 1. 4 ones are 4 ones are. So value of this one is 1. Sin A cos C minus plus cos A sin C is equals to 1. This is first one. Second one, cos A cos C, cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Sin A sin C is equals to, what is cos A value? Cos A 1 by 2 into cos C value root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Next minus sin A value root 3 by 2. Sin C value 1 by 2. Kada 1 by 2 sin C. So 1 into root 3, root 3. Root 3 by 2 to the 4 minus 3, root 3 into 1, root 3. Root 3 by 4 plus root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4 gets cancelled. So value of this one is equals to 0. First one, sin A cos C plus cos A sin C is equals to 1, and cos A cos C minus sin A sin C is equals to 0.